Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the tool called Padlet, which is easily found in the Google search engine. The first thing to do is to go to the Google search engine here, okay, and type the word Padlet. Padlet, okay. Okay, then you must register with your email. After this, you must choose the free option. Okay. In this case, I don't have to register because I'm already registered. Okay, let's go. After we have the registration, we can easily log in Padlet. Okay, log in to Padlet. Yes. Okay. In the Padlet tool, we can perform different functions. For example, we can first choose if we want to make a wall, a list, board, a map, timeline, or canvas, etc. I'm going to choose a wall. Okay. There are different wall options. I will choose the blue color of the galaxies. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we continue with naming the wall. Naming the wall. Okay. I can give the wall a title. Playing and learning. Playing and learning. Okay. Yes. Okay. We can write something related to the topic or a description. For example, I like to learn English by playing. I like to learn English by playing. Yes. Okay. Now we go to the bottom that says done. 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 And this is how our little looks like. Okay. We move on, and now we go to the right side of the wall, and we will recognize the different functions. For example, we can share, okay, add members, change privacy, okay. Okay, we can clone Padlet. Let's go. We can look at followers. Let's go. We can place in the presentation mode. Yeah. Okay. The presentation modes, the colors, the different colors. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to work in the Padlet. We go to the pencil, now here, okay, at the bottom and click to write a different task or activity. For example, we write animals. Animals. Okay, animals. 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 Okay. Animals are of different species and can be classified on aquatic, terrestrial, and aerial. Okay, in description, animals are of different species and can be classified okay, into aquatic, okay, terrestrial, and aerial. Now click on the publish button and that's it. Okay, publish. Okay, we can change the color of the note. For example, spaces and the font and publish and share the activities, the color, for example, green, pink, yes, okay, yes. We can upload videos and images and share them with classmates. We can also upload of YouTube. For example, the pencil, open the pencil, yes, yes, file, record sound, record screen, draw, search the internet, and do many more for activities. Yes, files, example, areas, okay, documents, images, choose images, okay, yes, publish, images, publish, okay, okay, that's it, yes. I present to my Padlet already, design and with different activities. For example, yes, playing and learning and different activities. Yes, share the internet and do many more for activities. Okay, thanks so much. See you later. Thanks.